Hey viewers, Gamer here. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to create a YouTube channel. And without further delay, let's get into the video because I don't want to waste your time.
Ah shit, here we go again.
For creating a YouTube account, we will need to firstly get an Gmail account. If you have already, you can get signed into it. I have to create a new, so I will show you how to create. Okay, here we are on my desktop screen. So firstly, we will go to our browser and type Google. I have Fierce ID, but I have to make another because they are already linked with YouTube. Click on add another account if you have previously. Click create account and click on my for myself. Create your name. Create a unique Gmail ID. And create a unique rememberable password so that you do not forget it because it is going to a YouTube password. Click on next. Fill your mobile number and email because I prefer you to go with it because if you lost your account, you can get it back with these details easily.
Gay!
I mistakenly click on the female, but I am male, don't worry. Click on I agree, and yeah, boom, our Gmail account is made. Now we will just go to the YouTube, okay, and get into it. Now we have to link our YouTube to our Gmail account. I have already, so I have to switch account and click on add account. Fill your details. The unique gamer okay at gmail.com. Next, my password. Fill your password. Okay. Now again I am saying fill these details for your safety, but I am skipping it. Boom, your Gmail account is linked with your YouTube. Create a channel. Let's get started. Create own custom username, but I will go to the default username because I have to just give a trial to you. Boom, your YouTube account has been made. Now fill your descriptions. Fill about what are you doing on your YouTube channel, tech, gaming, and etc. I'm just filling it for fun so that I can entertain you.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay. Now I will give you tips how to change your icon or how to change your channel art. Now we are on YouTube Studio, the biggest icon for a YouTuber because here you get analytics of all your video and you can check how your YouTube is growing. Now click customize channel, and for changing your icon, these are the options. From here you can change your icon and you can add your channel art, which is must for you, and the video of channel how to make channel art and how to make icon is coming soon on my channel. So please stay tuned with me because I will give you every knowledge, every YouTube related knowledge to you, and you will not regret it. And if you like the video, please give a like and sub to my channel, it will be amazing, and I will catch you in the next one.